This is Daniel. I of course seen on max click and max conversion
Yeah.
is the best one to use. Is it max click or max convert? Because Google recommends you use max conversions.
Yeah, max conversions is always going to give you the best targeting straight up because they know you can put in like 1,000 keywords into Google ads, and let's say you bid on pest control. If you do max clicks, you're going to get really bad keyword, your ads showing up for really bad search terms like pest control home remedy, or like pest control natural solutions, or pest control products, right? So this is what max clicks is essentially going to give you. Max conversions is going to be familiar with what you're going to be targeting, and it basically knows this by analyzing like hundreds of other accounts, thousands of other accounts for their conversion data, and it's going to give you um, the best keywords in general. But max conversions is also going to charge you the full amount for the click. So if you put $4, it's going to charge you $4 just to land on your landing page. If you put $5, it's going to charge you $5 just to land on your landing page, right? And even though the person might have like a really high level of intent, like they really want to maybe go through the process, maybe your landing page like scares them away, right? Maybe like the landing page just isn't complete, or maybe still they're like just window shopping. So this is why you have to test both strategies, right? Because maybe your landing page is really, really, really good. Like it has everything that you need. Like maybe it has a quiz, maybe it has like an opt-in, maybe it has like everything necessary for the person to say, hey, this is the landing page that I like. Let me make the phone call, right? It has all the trust factors, the badges. It has like a licensing. It has specific photos that convince the person to make the call. So max conversions is going to work very, very well. But if your landing page is like, maybe it's questionable, maybe they're not too familiar with it, so they're going to come to the landing page and they're not necessarily going to make that phone call because they don't have like as much high intent. But in that case, you've only paid $1.50 per click, right? Max clicks. Okay, so I think I threw out too much information there. You should test both. Okay, test both because max clicks is going to give you traffic, and eventually some of those are going to convert. And then those conversions are going to be passed into the max conversions campaign as well, because now Google's kind of understanding who is the best audience for your landing page to convert. Now, keeping in mind that if you're running pest control, Google already knows who converts the best. Like they know the specific audiences. They know who simply wants customer service calls, who simply wants customer service. They know who simply wants Amazon products. They know who simply wants to do it themselves, right? So they want like home remedies. So the best keywords, like once more, are going to be max conversions. But one of the safest ways to run it is to simply say, hey, here's $1.5 for them just to click on my landing page, but like $6 or $7 for the actual phone call, because the phone call itself will convert much better because they're already like dialing in as well, right? So run both, test them out both, so you can kind of get the understanding of the intuition there.